week on Cooking Corner, we made cake pops. Your first step is to take a pre-baked cake, any type that you want will work, and cut it up into slices to make it easier to crumble. After you crumble your cake into small pieces in a bowl, add around 3 spoon scoops of icing into the mixture and combine it with your hands. It might seem kind of weird, but just to make sure it's all mixed together and it's a good texture for making your balls of cake. You're going to place the balls of cake onto a wax paper sheet to place them in the fridge overnight to cool and solidify so that they don't fall apart when you dip them into the chocolate. Your next step is to place a container of the candy dips into the microwave for around 30 seconds. Make sure you take it out and stir after each 30-second increment so that they don't burn or melt through the container. Your last step is to dip the cake pops into the candy dips and top them with sprinkles.
Always showing me the way, lead the way. Your love seems to